These motion text presets will work on Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folders. Now click on Add. Here all templates have been installed. Place any template on the timeline. Here you can add text. Text font can be changed from here. Here you can change text color. Scale text and change its position from here. These templates have in and out both animation. You can also adjust its duration. Just trim or expand the template to make its duration shorter or longer. That's it. Thanks for watching.